Hi, my name is Crystal Biga, and maybe my accent can give you a hint of where I'm coming from. No? I'm from Cameroon, right there in Africa, but right now I'm in the United States, and I came here to build my American dream, and it wasn't an easy task. It took me some character. That's why I'm excited to announce my brand new character building schools assemblies for elementary school, middle school, and high school students. I can't wait to come over there and help those little boys and girls build their character to conquer this world, to succeed in their lives. So if you want to check me out, go on my website, crystalbiga.com, and book me for your next character building schools assemblies. See you soon.